Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos in the oven. First, gather all your delicious fillings such as seasoned ground beef, black beans, and fluffy rice. Next, gently warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. Now let's assemble. Lay a warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Spoon your desired fillings, like a quarter cup of rice and a few tablespoons of beans, down the center. Remember not to overfill, as this makes rolling difficult. Fold in the two opposite sides, then tightly roll the burrito from the bottom up, creating a neat package. Carefully place your rolled burritos seam side down onto a baking sheet. For an extra golden and crispy exterior, you can lightly brush the tops with a small amount of olive oil or melted butter. Bake them in your preheated oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Once baked, let your delicious burritos rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the fillings to settle and prevents them from falling apart. Now, it's time to customize. Top them with your favorite salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh guacamole. Feel free to experiment with various fillings for endless tasty combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.